Hello everyone, I hope you're doing well. Let's continue with HTML. And in the previous video we learned about headings, everything about the headings, and now it's time to learn about the paragraphs, everything about the paragraphs, and few more things like decoration, text decoration. And let's start. First we need to create a paragraph. That's easy. We need to type open tag. Visual Studio Code will automatically generate the close tag, and in the between of those two tags, open and close, we need to type some text. I'm not gonna type some text. I'm gonna generate some text on this website, Lorem Ipsum, and you can also go to this website. It will be displayed in the description of this video. I'm gonna just copy some text with a Ctrl+C, and I'm gonna paste it into this Visual Studio Code in the between of these two tags. Let's save that document. Let's go to web page, refresh it, and now we have that text that we typed or paste into this paragraph. So this is paragraph and it is displayed on our web page. For example, if we want to create a few more paragraphs, we can simply create a few more paragraphs like that. Let's go and paste again text. Let's go and create one more. Let's save that document, go and refresh your web page, and now we have two more paragraphs. And let me show you a few more things about these paragraphs. If we set, for example, a new thing like BR, save that, go to web page. Okay, what is happening? Let's do it one more time. I'm just gonna copy that. For BR, this means break line. It will automatically set a new line, empty new line on your web page, and there is no closing tag. It is only open tag, and it generates automatically the new line, new empty line. So if we want to create like something like this, we can do it easy and simple. If we want to set one more, we can do it like this. So just for you to understand what this break line means. So let's continue. What's gonna happen if I set here to be like a letter B, tag B? We have also opened and closed tag, and let me just do some more magic. We are gonna set I. We are gonna set U. And let's save that. Go to web page, refresh it, and as we can see, the first paragraph, where we have tag B, everything in this paragraph is a text, and everything in this B tag, which is in paragraph B, is bold. That is what means this letter B. It is bold. Text will be bold. If we set I, all text in the between of those open and close tag I into this paragraph is gonna be italic. And if we set U, which means underline, all text will be like underline, like we can see on the web page. Let's go one step back and let's delete those BR. We're gonna delete break lines. We're gonna save the document. Okay, now you can see it better, and let's create new line of code, and let's go again paragraph, and now we're gonna do it differently. Let's go create B, let's go create E, and let's go create I and U. I'm sorry. Let's go create I, and let's go create U. And in the between of this, don't worry about this, you can just simply press enter. It will be displayed in the same line, and it won't go break line or something. You can do it like that, and you can type text or everything in the between of this, but for me, for everyone, it is better to have like better vision on your document, and that's why I'm using new line and spaces and break lines and enters like on keyboards. So let's continue. So let's talk about this paragraph. Into this paragraph we have some text, and everything in this paragraph is actually a text, but this text will be formatted differently. For the first one, we have here, sorry, my bad, we have bold, italic, and underlined, and every text that's gonna be bold, italic, and underlined will be here, because everything what is inside those tags, open tag and these close tags, will be underlined, bold, and italic. And everything after that, in same paragraph, will be like a simple text, not bold, not italic, and not underlined. But one more thing is interesting, because we have two lines of texts, because we included here break line, and this break line is gonna break our text into two separate lines, as we can see on our web page. So I hope you learned something, and see you in the next one.